those who don't know, aren't like super technical, what is the IFPS technology? What does that mean, and how is that critical to what you're doing? Because you mentioned it a couple times in your presentation, so I want to make sure people kind of get what that is and how important it is.
Okay. I'm going to leave it to Jorge. He's our technical guy over here.
Jorge knows technical. He's technical. No.
I love techno music. No, I'm yeah. So I'm working with the Pixel team making the tech architecture and other things. But I guess going to the point, and this is actually why we're using IPFS, is because one of the things is if you're creating something in a decentralized environment, right? Your NFTs technically are always on chain, but a lot of the data from the NFT itself might be hashed, which means it's coded and you can check the code, like that signature on chain, but you won't have like the whole image or whole video in the blockchain because it'd be too expensive, it'd be a waste. So basically most sites, what they do is they use mainstream hosting services like Amazon Web Services, an S3 bucket where you can store data images. IPFS basically is a decentralized version of this. It allows you to create or host content, which can be then distributed and hosted in a distributed manner. And that's kind of also important to make sure that whatever you're storing can also survive forever, not just like the code that talks about that image, but you want the image to maintain itself there, right? Yeah. And just for context, IPFS, it's actually Interplanetary file system. I don't think it has anything with interplanets, but at least it's one of the more reliable technologies for distributed files.
Right.
No, that's good. Thank you very much.
It's not going to get to Matt Damon on Mars?
Probably not. Or, well, at this point, I have no idea, right? With the whole Tesla, SpaceX, and then they're playing the OneWeb thing, we might end up with actual internet there, so you don't know.